The basic sum syntax is really simple. It's just equals sum, first number, second number, and as many numbers as you may need. Close the brackets and press enter. So here we've used three numbers, that's 10, 20, and 30, to get the summation, which is 60. Let's continue to summing up ranges. Ranges are also straightforward. Let's put our numbers in a range under column A. That's 10, 15, 20, and 25. So it's as simple as inputting sum, open brackets, you highlight your range, that's A1 to A4, and then press enter, which gives us 70. So it's also as simple and as straightforward as that. Let's sum up multiple ranges. Let's say we have range 1 in column A, then range 2 in column B, so here we say equals sum, you open your brackets, you highlight or select the first range, input a comma, highlight or select the second range, close the brackets and press enter. So this sums up both the ranges. SUMIF focuses on summing up a range based on a certain criteria. Let's say here we want to sum up only numbers that are greater than 30. This is what we do. Equals sum. Our range is A1 to A5, comma, only those that are greater than 30. Close the bracket, enter. This gives us 160, sorry. So that's the formula. So let's sum with text criteria. So we say sum if our range with the fruits A1 to A5. Then what we need in this range is apples. Then what we need to be summed up, the range that we need sum up, that is the sum range. Close the brackets and press enter. So this is it. Here we have our table with regions and their cells and categories. So what we basically do is equals SUMIFS. This is SUMIFS. The range that we need to sum, or the sum range. Then our first criteria, which is the region. And in the region we need only the northern region, that's north. Then the second criteria is the category, which is under column C, and the category is category A. Close the brackets, then press enter. This will sum for you the cells in north under category A. So for advanced calculations like weighted totals, SUMPRODUCT is a functional tool that really simplifies this. So this formula multiplies each quantity by its corresponding price and then sums up the results. That wraps up our tutorial on the SUM function, from simple additions to advanced calculations.